North America is home to some of the most influential stock exchanges in the world. These exchanges are where companies list their shares and where investors buy and sell them. Understanding the major exchanges gives you insight into where the financial power is concentrated and how different industries are represented in the market. The New York Stock Exchange (NYSE) is the largest stock exchange in the world by market capitalization. Located in New York City, it hosts some of the biggest and most established companies, including Apple, Morgan Chase, and Berkshire Hathaway. The NYSE is known for its long history and traditional trading floor. The NASDAQ, also based in New York, is the second largest exchange in North America and has a strong focus on technology companies. It's home to many of the world's leading tech giants such as Microsoft, Amazon, Google Alphabet, Meta, Facebook, and Tesla. Unlike the NYSE, NASDAQ is fully electronic. In Canada, the Toronto Stock Exchange (TSX) is the largest exchange and a major player in the global market. It is especially known for its concentration of energy, mining, and financial companies, such as Enbridge, Royal Bank of Canada, and Shopify. The TSX plays a key role in financing resource-based industries. Other exchanges include Cboe Global Markets in the US, which operates several electronic trading platforms, and Cboe Canada, formerly NEO Exchange, which offers a more modern alternative for listing and trading stocks. These platforms focus on innovation, speed, and transparency, attracting both traditional and new-age companies.